Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save the picture that you have posted to your Facebook story. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the Your Story button at the top and select the picture that you would like to save. All you have to do is clicking on this More button next to the X icon at the top on the left side, and after that click on the third option, which is Save Photo. As you can see, the picture has been saved, meaning that it has been added to your gallery, so you will be able to check it out in your phone's gallery. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.